Hello and welcome to this new video tutorial of OpenCart Marketplace Delivery Time Slot plugin. Now this particular plugin allows the marketplace vendors to set the delivery time slots for their orders. The customers can choose their preferred delivery day and time for their order at the time of checkout. Apart from that, the customers can view the available delivery slots for a particular product on the product page itself, where they can find a check delivery slots button on the product page itself. And after the customers have placed the order, they can view the selected day and time slot for their respective order under their order history. Also, if the sellers have forgot to set the delivery day and time slots, then the default admin set delivery day and time slots will be used. So right now you can see that I'm at the OpenCart Marketplace web store front end, and I'm on one of the product pages. That's the MacBook having the price 500. Here you will find that we have a check delivery slots button as well. So if I tap on that, we'll see a pop-up within which we have the date and day along with the time slots that are available for this particular product itself. Now these delivery date and day time slots would be available for selection to the customers at the checkout time. So before I proceed further with the particular video tutorial today, wherein I'll be showing you the customer's workflow, then we'll see how the vendors would be able to create the delivery day and time slots, and how they can view the delivery time slot orders under their own account panel, and the rest of the configuration settings under the admin's end. Please do subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to receive the latest updates from our end. And if you find this particular video helpful, then do kindly give it a thumbs up. So right now what we'll be doing is I'll be adding this product into the cart. So I'll just tap here to add the product into the cart, and then we'll be making a checkout thereafter. Now here I'll be choosing my address, and then I'll be choosing my delivery details. And I'll just choose my delivery details here, and I'll tap here on the continue button thereafter. Now here under the delivery methods, as you can see right now, we have the shipping method name, and we have the seller name whose product is there within the cart itself, with whom we are going to make a checkout. And here you can see the different date and day along with the time slots that are available, so the customer can select any one of these slots there as per his own requirement. And after choosing the delivery date, day and time slot here, the customer will tap on the continue button, and he'll be choosing his payment method, would select the terms and conditions, tap on the continue button, and would confirm the order after that. Now after placing the order, the customer would be able to check the order history, wherein he'll be able to check the delivery date and time slot that he had selected for his order. So for order number 74, here you can see that we have the delivery date and day as you can see here, and on the day it's Tuesday, and the delivery time is between 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. there itself. So that's how the customers can easily select the delivery date and day and the delivery time there for receiving their orders. Now this was the customers end. Now let me show you how the vendors would be able to view these delivery orders. So for that, they'll have to navigate to their marketplace account block on the right hand side, and here within the marketplace account block, he'll have to go to delivery orders. So here we'll find the latest order that we have just placed, that's order number 74. So if I tap on the order number, we'll be able to view the order as per the vendor's end. And here we can see the delivery day and date, the same, and the delivery time as well. Now this was how the sellers would be able to view the delivery orders. Now after the successful installation of the OpenCart Marketplace Delivery Time Slot plugin, the vendors will have these two options under their marketplace account block, that is the delivery time slots and the delivery orders. So we have checked the delivery orders, having the list of all of the orders for which the delivery time slots have been selected by the customers there. Now under the delivery time slots, the vendors would be able to set up the delivery slots, as you can see, with the start time, end time, and the delivery day as well. And here they can set the minimum days to process the order as well as per their own requirement there. And from here they can basically delete any of the created delivery slots by selecting them and tapping on the delete button, or they can edit any of the created slots by tapping on the edit button for a particular slot, and they can change the start time, end time, and can choose the delivery day for that particular slot itself. Now to add a new delivery slot, what you need to do is you need to tap here on the add button, and that will bring up this delivery slot section wherein you can add the start time, end time, and the delivery day as well. So here you can set up the start time, the end time, and you can choose the weekday as per your own requirement for which day you want to set the particular delivery slot there. And then you'll have to tap here on the save button to save the particular slot there by just tapping on the save button. So you can see that I've created one more slot between 1500 hours to 1900 hours there for Sunday itself. And if you want, you can also delete that as per your own requirement there. And you can see that we have deleted the delivery slot, and the deleted slot would not be now used in the order there. So this was the two options that the marketplace vendors get. One is the delivery time slots to create and manage the delivery time slots, and the delivery orders there. Now let's hop on to the admin backend panel and let's see what different configuration settings are there for this particular plugin. So first of all, we'll be checking the initial configuration settings for this particular plugin, and we'll see what different options does the admin get after the successful installation of this particular plugin itself. So for that, let me take you to the admin backend panel now. Now kindly note that this particular plugin, that's the OpenCart Marketplace Delivery Time Slot plugin, is an add-on to the OpenCart Multi-Vendor Marketplace by Webkul. So you'll have to have that first, and then you can make use of the OpenCart Marketplace Delivery Time Slot plugin. Now after the successful installation of this particular plugin, that's the OpenCart Marketplace Delivery Time Slot plugin, under the marketplace, the admin will find the delivery time option wherein he'll have two different orders or options basically. One is the delivery time slots and the delivery orders. Under the delivery orders, the admin would be able to see a complete list of orders that have been placed for different time slots. And here the admin will find his own delivery orders as well as of the marketplace sellers, as you can see. So here's one seller, Jack Smith, Mary Doe, Mary Johnson. Here we have the order for the admin's product. Now here the admin can find the start time, end time, and the delivery date or the day for the same, and can delete any of the delivery orders by selecting the order and tapping on the delete button. Now under the delivery time slots, the admin would be able to find the complete list of delivery time slots that have been created by the marketplace vendors as well as by the admin himself. So here you can see the admin, we have the seller, the start time, end time, delivery day, and from here we can edit any of the particular slots there. And from the drop down here we can choose or change the slots and assign these slots to the marketplace vendors as well or to the admin himself. And then we can set the start time, end time, and the delivery day for the slot there, and after tapping on the save, that particular slot would be saved there. So these are the two different options that the admin gets after the successful installation of this add-on there. That's the delivery time slot. Now this was the options that the marketplace admin gets. Now about the initial configuration settings for this particular plugin, we'll have to navigate through extensions and then extensions, and here under the extension type we have to choose modules, and here we have to go to the marketplace delivery time slot system, and we have to tap here on the edit button. Now this will bring up the marketplace delivery time slot system, and here we have different configuration settings as you can see here. Now here we are having the store option. So here from the drop down you can choose the store for which you want to make use of the delivery time slot system. Then to enable the marketplace delivery time slot system, we'll have to choose the option here as enabled. Otherwise, to disable it, you can choose the disabled option there. Then we have the allowed days for the seller. So from this particular list, whichever days have been selected by the admin, only those days would be available to the marketplace vendors there while they are creating their slots. Then we have the minimum required days to process the order. So you can set up the minimum required days to process the order as per your own requirement. Then you can set up the total slots at checkout for each seller. So the maximum number of slots at the checkout time for each seller that should be visible to the customers. So you can set that up by entering the number value here. Then we have the default delivery time slots. Now these are the default delivery time slots that would be used. For example, if these marketplace vendors forget to set the delivery time slots for their products, and these default delivery time slots would be used for their products as well. So from here, the admin can set up the days of the week and can set up the start time, end time for the same. To add more, he can tap here on the add button and choose the day of the week and choose the start time, end time as required. To delete any of the default delivery time slots, he can tap here on the remove button to remove the particular one, and to add, he just needs to tap here on the add button. And lastly, he just needs to tap here on the save button to save the particular marketplace delivery time slot system configuration settings, and thus he will be able to save the settings there. So yes, that was much about the OpenCart Marketplace Delivery Time Slot plugin, and I hope this particular video helped you out in understanding the flow of the same. If you still have any questions, queries, suggestions or requirements, then kindly do reach back to us at support@webkul.com, or you can raise a ticket at webkul.uvidis.com as well. And lastly, thanks for watching this particular video and have a great day ahead.